So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this, every website has super strict GDPR rules now, and we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Well, that was a strange turn of events. Hey everybody, I lost my fucking external hard drive, which has all those videos on it. Alright. Hello! Happy Tuesday, mon frères, mi amigos. How's it going? What up? ¿Cómo estás? Okay. It is the worst day of the week. Everybody knows it's Tuesday. And everybody knows how I feel about it. But that's okay, because we are here doing cool WordPress stuff, and that's all that matters. Dak Dude, how's it hanging? Indy, You can hear me in your dreams. I know it. So, no harm there. Let's see if I can get this video going again. Doop. Did it work? Nope. Stop. Play. I think I might have to actually like recheck it out. Orbem book player. Is this it? Go. Nope. Wrong book trailer. This is the old one. Hold, please. What happened? 4 more pages? Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. What the hell? How come I can never find this damn video? I think it's in... Is it in Ad Creatives? Yo. It won't be like before. That's starting soon. Where the hell is this video? Hold on. I need to... Shit. Where the hell did I put this thing? Do you have the strength? Won't be like before. Like before. Ooh, the game intro. Should we put the game intro instead? Maybe we should. We can try the coming soon one, maybe. Yeah, let's do the game intro. Whatever. That's a cool trailer anyways. Alright. Well, I think that's all we're going to do tonight. Everybody have a good one. Just kidding. Hilarious. Okay, what are we doing? I know we got kind of sidetracked. We got punching working. So we're just freaking on cloud 9 now. Oh my god, we wrecked this place. Bye. What did we have going on locally? Did we have anything going on locally that we need to do? I don't think so. I think we got it working. Okay. Let's check the code. Yeah, I think I was just fixing the styling before we left. Alright, well, let's continue building the game out. I mean, I definitely need to finish adding asset, you know, just art and stuff to this map. But besides that, we need to add the characters. I want to add the botanist actually in here. Maybe we should do that because I wanted to have her walk over here. Whoa, what? Uh-oh. I don't think I made the, How did I go in there? Interesting. What does the fucking thingy doodad look like? I thought I made this better. Wherever you are. Here we go. Is it this one? There's a rectangle. Oh, I think I hit it inadvertently. Where you at, rectangle? Where you at? No. Almost, 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 almost. Nope. Where's the little bit? Where's the little bit? I know you's around here somewhere. Oh, that's weird. Did I not cover this? Can I walk through this? Guess I can't. I'll need to open up Illustrator. Try that out. Let's check out. Is this it? No, because this doesn't have all the newest stuff in it. Where is the new? Oh. Did I? No. Where's the newest Foresight map? Ooh, maybe I didn't save it like an idiot. Alright, well, let's open up the one from the actual site that I was using. Game creatives. There should be a Foresight SVG here. The new one, yeah. Did I add? Oh, see, yeah, I didn't add anything over here. Should probably do that. Which, if I take reference, I'm gonna need to open up the an overlay. Here we go. Pretty overlay. So we need to copy this, put it over here, and nope. Make a new layer, put it over here. Okay, cool. Can I change? See, you can't just change opacity of a layer in this, can you? Properties? Oh, opacity. Nice. Yes. This is definitely not in the right spot. Alright, let's make sure it's in the right spot. Oh, it's too big. Why does this look like the wrong size? I guess I didn't need to make it the right size. I don't know. No, that's right. Alright, see if that works. Yep, that lines up perfect. Okay. Tear off your armor. Well, let's keep going on the red theme here. So let's at least make this fill. Let's do the red color. Red central. Yeah. Okay, that'll work. And then we'll do one more here. So now you can't walk into the table. Grand. Perfectos. Perfecto mundo. No. There we go. Oh, let's lock this so I can't touch it. There we go. Now I can only touch this. So I can align this better. Okay, cool. Yeah, before I thought that the collision points, the whole reason I could phase through walls is because of I just wasn't doing a good job of making the corners, but we fixed that, so that was not the issue. Okay. So that's good. This is good. It's just kind of bad placement, more than anything. This is good. I can walk up to a certain point. I can walk up to a certain point. This is not good. Oops. So this, I actually want to make higher. I want to be able to walk a little bit closer to the wall. So let's do that. Where's the fucking... Is it this? No. Don't want to do that. How do I fucking adjust you? Huh. I guess this is kind of separate. Okay, got it. Yeah, I want to be able to walk up to the wall a little bit more. Because I should be overlapping it a little bit. That'll give you the better effect. You know, like you can see in here right now, if you see I can walk where I'm kind of overlapping some of the map. It makes it look more realistic. But when I go to the wall here, right now I'm being stopped at the base of the wall. And that's not realistic. It looks like I'm being blocked by some magic force on my head. So I need to raise it up a tidbit. Decent amount, actually. And this will give us a little bit more walking space, too, so that'll be good. Alright, let's go into you. Shore up that. Shore up that, because you're still not able to go through the wall. And this technically doesn't matter, but I like having this aligned. I don't know why this is not the same thing. Oh, yeah, now I do. Alright. Alrighty. And you see we have a little bit of wall, we have a little bit of wall. Let's realign this collision point here. Perfect. Pop, pop, pop. Doo-boo-bop, pop, pop. Alright, good. We're good. Let's do actually the same thing here for these new ones. Let's give him a little bit of leeway to walk over it. Same here. So he can walk in front of the chair a little bit. Alright. Now that's looking good. Let's just go ahead and select this. If you just... Alright. There's going to be Foresight newer. Whatever, doesn't matter. Let's get this uploaded. You know what I really want to do is I want to change that fucking map SVG field. It's really annoying me that I can't just use the media library to upload it. So let's go to map SVG. Okay. And where's like the image, character image? It's like this. And I need all this image field shit. Map SVG. Let's replace you with this. And we'll call you map. Let's call it collision map. Much more aptly named. Database isn't going to change because I don't want to, but that'll do. And I don't think I need those PNG, those P tags, but I'll leave them there. And this is collision image. And we're going to switch all these with this. Pop, pop, pop. Shmoopity bop. Bing bong. Bow, bow, bow. Sound effects. Ooh, I can't wait to add sound effects. That'd be a lot of fun. I forgot my cup of water. Now I'm dying. Okay, so we need values, and we need that. Shmap-a-dip-a-doo. Sure. I'll just do this. And get rid of Ju. Did I add this actually as one of those? I don't remember. We got the Wi-Fi read only. Bop, bop, bop. Burr, burr, burr. And we don't need this. We don't need this. I made a general image upload actually. Shit, I should be using that as the reference. What was the one I used? What did I do? I made a general image upload field, not just the static images. It was for area. Was it in area? No. I think it was for, I don't remember now. It was for one of the post types. Let's see here. It was for another website I'm helping out with. Mission cutscene? No, I don't think it was for cutscene. Oh, it was for MP3 maybe upload. Was it for the options page? Might have been for the options page. I kinda forget. Yeah, because I already have music here too. I want to switch the music field too to the upload. Let's just look at the JavaScript. Oh, wrong one. So I'm using remove image button. I have a general one. It's just blah de blah de blah. What is it called? Image uploader. Click. Oh, upload image button. So we'll make sure we're using that. Upload image button, good. Remove image button, good. Okay, those are perfect. These should be Miropelia. Okay, this should be at least the first one that we're gonna convert. And yep, we don't need you. Oh, okay. I'm not using the loop right now, so it's literally just, what was it, map? All right, then let's just do that instead. Map. What? If true and false. Okay, yeah, that's not what I want. We just want this. Map. There we go. Yeah, I think this is all I need. Yeah, image field, image upload. Yeah, I think this is it. Let's try it out. Let's just refresh. On the local. On the locals. Let's log back in. Harmonian. Harmonians are... Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. The mysterious, super highly advanced technological species from Orbem. What about PHP? Good name. So this is part of explore areas. Let's see if this worked. Okay, looks like it worked. Let's see if selecting works. Did it work? No. Selecting did not work, so let's see what it takes to do the field update. So that's for removing, but for adding, I swear I did a general image upload. So we go on select. We have the attachment. We don't care about any of this. What the fuck? I swear I did it for remove. Didn't I do oh yeah, query select all. So this is the button. And then when you click the button, doesn't matter. So once I select the image, then this is specific for character images, so I don't care about that. And this is specific for, wait, explore upload field. Here we go. Explore, oh, I think I changed the name of it. That's why. It wasn't image field, it was explore image field. I think I thought image field was too general. And what was the other thing? It was explore upload field, which is... No. Explore upload field. Is that what this is? Explore upload field, maybe? Seems right. Let's try it now. So we do this, select, we do this, and this, bam. Did it work? It did! Okay, so we know what we're doing now. Let's push this up so I can start uploading collision maps easier. And I would update the music thing right now, but we'll take it one at a time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh man. What is up, everybody? If you're wondering what this is, it's this is specifically local by WP. Just makes it easy to run my local site, my WordPress site. Nothing special, but it's linked up to my host. I'm using Flywheel, and it's linked up directly to Flywheel, which allows me to just publish stuff to my production site really easy. So that's why I use it. I think all we did was... Wait, what did we do? Oh, Metabox. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's all I did. I made a general way of making upload image fields. Programming is life. Thanks, Ruby Devil. I'll never stop. Are you kidding me? Not even because I like to eat and feed my family and buy things. And because of my favorite time of the night, which is this. Oh yeah. Couldn't find my water. Next best thing. Cheers, everybody. Hey, happy Tuesday. Worst day of the night. I mean, worst day of the night. Worst day of the week. Tuesday. But it's cool. We're getting there. Oh yeah. Don't threaten me with a good time. Game Doodle, what up, man? Yes, that was a self-inflicted scotch time, by the way. I couldn't wait for anybody else because I forgot my water somewhere, so I needed some sort of liquid. Oh. Hey, Mutafa Yasin, hello, my friend. I feel like I think you've been around a few times. How's it going, my friend? Welcome back. We just pushed a nice little update. Oh, maybe you haven't been here. Yes! WordPress game engine. Hey, buckle up. That's all I can say. This is a WordPress-based game engine that I've developed to develop RPG video games using nothing but the finest WordPress logic. So I'm going to upload right now a new SVG collision map, okay? And this is just one of the things you can do using WordPress. So now I updated the collision map a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like on the front end. So this is the game. Right here. So this is the front end, and oh, that's weird. It put the collision map in front. Wonder why it did that. It shouldn't have done that. It's like it overtook the feature image. Interesting. But yeah, general idea is I can't, you know, I don't know why it's letting me actually walk into that. Yeah, I think it's because of all these plants. They're kind of screwing with me. I don't think it's z-index. I think my new upload field screwed up the feature image. Yeah. Yeah, see, because this is wrong. This should be the feature image. Say it so well. Oh yeah, look. Why is it using that? It should be using DS. Did that update this? No? Huh. Am I tripping? Oh shit. Am I doing this backwards again? I think I'm doing this backwards again. Feature image is collision point. Shit. What am I doing? Why do I keep forgetting that? It's because it wasn't like that originally. Originally, it wasn't. It was the other way around. Shit, now I gotta change that label name again. Yeah, thanks, man. It's labor love. You know, we have characters, cutscenes, enemies, weapons, magic, missions, signs, minigames, explainers, little tutorial things. And I already have the local version of the game, you know, with a lot of the logic in place, including talking, using text-to-speech.
Hey.
Hey. And like dynamic music and walking and going to places and stuff like that. But now I'm building it on production with final assets to make it look good. So here's like a final asset. Here's a chair that you can't walk into because this plant. I think I want to move this plant. Okay. What we are going to do though is you think it would be worth Game Doodle? You think it would be worth making interacted objects like able to walk through them? You know, like, because if I break a wall, I don't want it to disappear. That's not really cool looking. I could just make it rubble, and I should make it walk throughable, maybe. That way, when I break these plants, I can actually, like, walk over them. You know what I mean? Or, like, anything I interact with. Maybe make it an option. Like, interacted... What do you call it when you can walk through something? What is the word for that? Ghost? Yeah, like after it's broken, let you walk over it. Passable? Yeah, I like passable. I think I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add that option real quick. Because then, you know, we can go to an item here. Yeah, we'll do it locally. So we can go to an item here. We'll use the plant that we have local already. We'll go to the plant, and we'll make it so if you... Ooh, shit. Let me make this viewable. So I have all these custom fields on the side here I register. So like we already have should disappear. So when you break it, should it disappear? If I say no, I should make it passable. Open chest shouldn't have one, but I think like the broken pot... Right. So, should disappear can be no, but you can also make it not passable. So even if you interact with it, like you said, a chest or something tall, you know, you press a button and it changes, that kind of thing, we won't make it passable. Yeah. Okay, let's add that real quick. And luckily, I've developed a pretty good system for doing that. What? Knock knock, Dad? What? No. Shut up. Dak dude for the win. So let's go ahead and go to the MetaBox class. And this is going to be for explore points, which we already have here. Yeah, right here. So explore disappear. We'll also do explore passable, aptly named by the game Doodle himself. Passable. Fantabulous. Okay. So now let's just add that here. Which, disappear. Yeah, there we go. So we'll do should disappear, and then we'll do is passable. Obstacle anti. Well, no, because I have blockades too. And those can be invisible, you know, just to block your way until you do a mission. Or you do something. I think I made it so it's like blockades can also be... they could also disappear if you like interact with something. Yeah. Is passable? Yes. Blah, blah, blah. So we'll just do passable. I like passable. Just makes more sense. It's an easier word too, you know, for people to grasp. Can you pass it? Passable. Really want to add that array feature, but I'm going to have to refactor all of the meta boxes, which I'm glad I'm doing this the right way going forward, but there's still a bunch of them out there. Okay, so if it's passable, I want to add a class to it. Wait, what do we already have for passable? Like where I can walk all over them. Collision walls. So we have drag dest, data hazard, trigger, currently dragging, enemy item. Hey, Dak Dude, welcome. On the Twitch side. It's kind of stupid to add another class that does the exact same thing. Straightforward, sure. Yeah. Wait, what happened to my stream avatars? Well, now that you're here, let's get them going. There we go. I still don't see Tabaxi. You should be here. Oh, now you're here. Hold on. Let me restart. Material, item trigger, drag dest. Yeah, none of these really work. Wait, what the hell? You're still not here. Where are you, Tabaxi? Whatever. I guess you're not going to be here. Fine, we'll just add a new one. We'll do not passable. How about that? So, we'll do that. And then let's add passable after it's been interacted with. So, interacted. No, that's not what I want. Where do I change the image to interacted? Swapping interacted. Here it is. So this is swapping the interacted image. Let's also do item dot data set. No, there's a class. Class list, add passable. Hashable. Fantastic. Class list, I want to add. Whoops. Sometimes I forget not to add the class dot. Okay. So that'll do that. And I think this runs on load too. So going forward, it should be passable. Oops. That was styling. I mean, this should be it. You know, we have so much functionality built, you know, adding new features that are using similar functionality. As long as I know where it is in the code, it's generally pretty simple these days. You guys already met Brad Pitt. Right here, dude. I'm like the 99-cent store Brad Pitt. Okay, is passable. Yes. Wait. Oh, I shouldn't just do that. It needs to be... yeah, hold on. If true equals item.dataset.passable. There we go. So let's actually add that to the HTML of the item, which should be map HTML I'm just flying through this. I apologize. Any questions you guys have, please feel free to ask. Let's see. Where's disappear? Disappear. Let's do the same thing for passable. 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 Oh yeah, I love fucking typing the same shit over and over. Yeah, right. Passable, passable, passable. Yeah, that'll work. And then we'll do the same thing here. Will be passable. What? Passable. True. Oh, I think I made it no, though. Let's make it yes. Cool. Alright, now this should work out of the box. First try. Sure. I'm actually gonna turn chat off on the phone. I've noticed it gets in the way. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to restart the game. My bad. Why did it mute? Sometimes it mutes itself, which I find interesting. See, it muted itself again. I think it's funny. Wait, what'd you say? Oh, preview. Talking about the game, yeah, but it's not always muted. It like mutes itself sometimes, which I think is funny. All right, there's the explainer. Am I going to be able to walk through this plant after I break it? Ready? I'm going to punch it. Punch! Hey, it worked. Unfortunately, I'm walking under the plant. But it did work, so that's cool. First try. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. I know I can walk under the signs. The master of Scooby-Doo, the Riddler of Ohio. Correct. That is I. Pay no attention to anybody else. Is there any reason why I shouldn't be able to be in front of items? Maybe I should make passable items 0. Because I don't know if I did that for another reason. Like if I do pop, make it 0. So now I can walk ahead of it. Which I thought is what most of them are like. Because of drag dest. Oh, but then I'm in front of the sign, which I didn't want. I think I'm in front of this sign too. Oh no, that one's still in front. Okay. Let's make just passable items. Breakable, passable, 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 passable. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll go into here and we'll go into map item. And we'll do the index 1 and we'll do and data passable equals true. And then we'll just make this the index shut up. Why is this acting weird? Oh, got it. The index 0. Yeah, you got it. Hey, what's up, Namir? I am changing some z-index styling so I can walk over the plant that I just broke. Don't be confused. It makes no sense to anybody else as well. But this is a WordPress video game. that I developed. You'll see, this is just my local. I finished all the main functionality. I'm kind of just tweaking things here and there and adding little fields and stuff as needed. What the hell? Why is that still not correct? Oh, it didn't work. Passable true. What? I guess I need to make it a little bit more specific. Well, I have plenty of things to add. Let's try... Do I have any other classes I can add on this? Passable. Ah, I forgot it's data passable and passable. That'll twerk. And yeah, we're working on this. This is based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles, available on Amazon right now. You can buy book 1 and 2. I'm working on book 3. 4 will come after that. That's how numbers work. But it's taking me a while. I want to get the demo out for the game first. But it's based off of Orbem right now. These are all the levels. This is the production site where I'm getting all the final assets going, so it looks pretty. Yeah, I'm going to need like a shirt of just broken plants and him standing in the middle, like looking crazy with his fists up or something. Alright, let's see if this worked. Yay! Okay, there we go. Now we can walk over plants. And is the sign still in front of me? Let's check. It is. Great. Explainer. Looks good. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're close, dude. Skipped a few. Skip to Maloo. My darling. Okay, let's push this up. And then let's see if I can like walk around that office a little better. And then I want to add the new chick, the botanist. I want to get her walking around. I want to get her walking to her desk. And then walking around. And do kind of like an intricate NPC walking path. Just to make sure I have all that logic down. And it'll just give the level a little bit more oomph. Where you are doing things. I don't know if I can make her pissed off and like yell at you yet. Maybe I can give her a cutscene if you interact with her. Make her go, get the fuck out of my way or something. She's gonna be like an old crotchety lady. Yeah, it could be fun. I don't know. Oh man, Game Dude, I don't know if you saw yesterday. But they were giving me a run for my money on St. Patrick's Day. Kuzo, I think he used Scotch time like 9 times. I didn't do it 9 times. I stopped at 3.5. But, phew. Luckily I am immune to Scotch, or that would have been a rough morning. Alright, here we go. We got that. We got some style fixes. We did some metabox stuff, didn't we? Yep. And class stuff. And metabox. Okay, cool. Should be un bueno now that we have the new field. And let's make all the plants passable on the production site. What? And currently we only have plants. Those are all the items we have on the site. They're all plants. No biggie. Plant 1. Passable? Yes. Interacted with item. Oh, interacted with. That's what I added the upload field for. I should have stole that shit. I'm an idiot. I forgot. Alright, let's go to plant 2. I really need to make a bulk edit option for all of these options. I wonder if it is doing that out of the box. Yeah, exactly. Can I do a bulk action? Oh. We already did these two. What kind of actions do I have? Edit. No, I can't. I can change the value type and the area they're in. That's cool, at least. If I need to do that, but... yeah, I'd have to add them as options. I could do that. We're going to do a whole run. After the demo's done, and I'm basically just kind of like making it easier to develop the game itself when it goes into Orbem. That means drag and drop, no more coordinate typing in, all that kind of stuff. I will definitely make it way more user-friendly in the admin of the WordPress site. Because eventually I do want this to be a plugin for everybody, so I'm going to have to spend a little bit of time on the UI, organize all these fucking custom post types and taxonomies. The names are very redundant. I want to put them all under a, you know, an Orbem sort of game engine name. It'll probably be like, I don't know, RPG game engine or something. I'll name it something generic so it's easy to understand. I'll do a poll. Everybody can help me name the plugin. We'll call it Game Doodler. Is that trademarked? Katakana and hiragana. That does look like a mix. You and your Japanese. The Game Doodler. The Game Diddler. I think the Game Diddler is much more appropriate. Or inappropriate. You waste away the day. Diddler got me. The Game Diddler got me. I was just playing a video game, minding my own business, and the Game Diddler got me. Votre? Nice. Mm-hmm. Your Votra would be WRPG. And then have like the P and the W capitalized. WRPG. That's actually pretty smart. Let's see. WRPG.com. It's a domain for sale for $33,000. I love people that do this shit. So dumb. Ooh, cool. 4-letter domain, ebit.com, sells for 1.35 million. Sure. They're trying to sell it. You're not gonna get me, man. Yeah, your fingers are just too strong. Or not strong enough. Depends how much you've been flex keying today. Oh god, guys, I completely forgot. If you've ever gone to orbem.shop or flexkeys.shop, you'll see today's sponsor, Flex Keys. Flex your fingers with Flex Keys. Get them in multiple colors. Multiple types. I know I only have white and black on me right now, but as you can see, they come in all sorts of colors. Ooh, you know who got this? Game Doodle. He can speak for all of us. He is in love with these Flex Keys. And yeah, helps some dexterity, agility, and fidgeting nervous people, you know? Buy yours today. $4.99. Wait, is that right? $4.99? Are you out of your goddamn mind? For such an effective, beautiful, sleek, and fun tool that's going to help you in your everyday life? Yeah, I know. I'm just giving them away. So go now. I ship in the US. I'm sorry. I don't ship internationally. But that's never going to change. So I will be offering the STLs for sale as well to everybody else around the world so they can 3D print their own. It's very easy. 2 prints, keys, shell. I have a whole video on flexkeys.shop showing you how I designed the journey and made them. So if you're interested in 3D printing, it's pretty interesting. I'd go for it. And back from our sponsor. I'm always my own sponsor. Did we finish 7? We didn't. Passable, yes. Woohoo! Wait, something's happening. Someone is saying things in general. Hey, Sabao! Any site where I can search for themes and layouts and download it? WordPress, not default WordPress. Themes, free. Yes! The WordPress theme directory built into WordPress. Pretty obvious, but here, let's give them a link. We go to themes, we go to add new theme. Like this. yourdomain.com. I guess I should have replied to him. Pop, pop, pop. But let's go back to the points. All right, let's go ahead and go to 8. 2 more to go. Yeah, this is pretty annoying if you have to make a lot of changes. Maybe I should have defaulted it to yes. It's not going to be defaulted to yes, though. I think more than not, breakable items are going to disappear anyways. So you don't have to make them passable. Why do I have 2? Whatever. Interesting. I love how Platman and the Tabaxi or whatever are fighting right now. Hey-ya! Ping, pong, ping. Guys are always fighting each other. Okay, cool. Let's see what it looks like now when we walk. Yep. Double whatever. Oh, look at that. I can walk through all the plants now. Yay. Bing, ba, boom, ba, da, ba, doom, ba, boom, ba, ba, boom. And see how I overlap the chair a little bit? It's just more realistic. I actually could overlap both of these more. You can't... I think that would be okay. I'm not going to replace it right now because it's kind of annoying to keep re-exporting, especially because I'm going to add more things anyways. But, like, we should give it even more space. Like a decent amount of space. Yeah. I think that's a lot more realistic. Realistic. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Back to biz. Yeah, no, this is good. I feel less over-encumbered. Winter ads? I don't know. I feel like I haven't seen an ad for a while. I lost my ad privileges, I guess. That doesn't make sense. I guess I can check, though. Let's see. Ads are... Stream manager. Ads are in 1 minute and 22 seconds. There she blows. Nailed it. You have 1 minute, Dak dude, to pay up or shut up. Okay, so that's good. Boxes I don't want to walk through. Table I don't want to walk through. So those are all collision points. Okay, cool. Let's work on the old lady. Now I'm going to need an asset for the old lady. So let's do that real quick. Shouldn't take too long to generate something I can work with. I'm not going to be able to give her like walking animations right now. But at least I'll have something to move around the table. Or the map. What I gotta use the same exact prompts so I can get the same style. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh, I forgot I got the floors here. Very nice. Okay, here we go. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, no. Ooh, no. Yeah, Jeannie is actually very close. I didn't think about that, because I already have Jeannie, who is an old lady in a lab coat. Maybe... Oh yeah, I'm working on some more product photos. I'm going to start listing the double light switch plate shelf soon. So we'll have another product on the site. Because the trademark's taken a while. Let's see what we got. Old lady. Where you at? I don't remember. What did I do? Bunch of this shit. Where? Bunch of this shit. Where did I save? Oh, did I do it in game assets? That'd be smart. Yeah, I think I have like all of them in a PSD. Graham. Oh, I have individual John. Yeah, but where did I put just... Hold up. Are these in order? Yeah, I got the John avatar. Oh, new avatars right here. Bing bong. Yeah, so I made her look like this. I can probably just change her around a bit. Oh god, I hate that I can't see. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab her for now. I know that her head is separate. Let's go new. Clipboard. Oh god, that's just her head. Oh god. I'm so scared. New. Oh god, that's just her body. Alright. And then I'll take you. Alright. Almost there. And let's work on the head separately, since it's going to be different. Probably leave her body's going to be kind of normal. Looks like this didn't get completely... It didn't get, I need to switch this to pencil. Okay, there we go. Much better. Oh. Alright. If it's not too long over a minute. Humpty Dumpty, I know.
One day I'm going to Malta to bigger hotel. In the morning I go down to eat a breakfast. I tell a waitress I want 2 pieces of toast. She brings me only 1 piece. I tell her I want 2 pieces. She say go to the toilet. I say you no understand. I want to do piss on my plate. She say you better no piss on the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady and she call me a son of a bitch. Later, I go to eat at a bigger restaurant. The waitress brings me a spoon and a knife, but no fork. I tell her I want the fork. She tell me everyone you want a fork. I tell her you no understand, I want a fork on the table. She say you better not fork on the table, you son of a bitch. So I go back to my room in a hotel, and there is no sheets on the bed. Call the manager and tell him I want a sheet. He tell me to go to the toilet. I say you don't understand, I want a sheet on my bed. He say you better not shit on my bed, you son of a bitch. I go to the checkout and the man at the desk say peace on you. I say peace on you too, you son of a bitch. I'm going back to Italia. Arrivederci.
Yep, I've heard that before. Funny. I won't say it's not funny. So, there. I didn't say it. Yeah, this is not a good job. I know I rushed when I was creating these avatars. So, there's even like lines and stuff in all my animations. Even her hair is all screwed up. Good thing that they're so small on the page. Yes, communication is key. Alright, so first off, let's go ahead and not make her have blue hair. We are free-handing some line selections real quick. We don't need to be super accurate. But I'd like to have this be a final asset at some point, so all this work is not being for nothing. We'll do colorize. We will change it to brown. Oh no, she's gonna have white hair. What am I thinking? We'll leave it the brightness alone. Let's change the levels. Give it a little bit more. Oh yeah. She an old lady. There you go. Old lady. Alright, see ya, man. Dak dude, always a pleasure. Catch you in the next one, my friend. Thank you for hanging out. Old lady. Old lady's gonna have, I don't know. Let's give her brown eyes. You know what? I guess I could just color them brown. I don't need to go cray with the selecting. Do like a dark brown. Let's use the pencil. Just because it's a little bit more pixelated. I guess if you leave a little green, then they're hazel eyes, right? I should be using my tablet for this. Then I'd have to drag Photoshop down to it. I'm so lazy. If I do like a whole episode, a whole stream of where I'm doing specifically art, that's when I whip it out. But other than that, it's kind of annoying to switch from the tablet back and forth and stuff. I always have to reach over it. Let's do some darker browns apparently in this corner here. Again, not too worried about it being super accurate, because from afar, that looks like an old lady with brown eyes. And we can get rid of the freckles. I think those are going to be unnecessary. They kind of look like pimples anyways. But let's give her a little bit more, how you say, wrinkles under the eyes. Because she's going to be old lady. She an old lady. Those are too dark. I want it to be a little bit more realistic. So let's go like that. Yeah, something like that. They look so crazy. I'll do them a little bit more subtle and just fatter. More like that. There you go. Old lady. Now that's an old lady. Now we just need to change the hair so it doesn't look exactly like Jeannie's. And I can do that by doing a little bit of generation. So we'll do a little bit of something like this. We'll make her hair a little bit lower. Yep. I'm actually interested in what will generate here if I actually select all of this. I think it'll look good. And if I leave some of the hair already there, then it'll have some reference. Generative fill. Generate. That's dumb. They removed it. What did you think I wanted you to cut it out? Come on, you dumbass. Pixel art. Old lady. Gray hair. Try that again. Yeah, I didn't imagine it just to get rid of everything I selected. I thought it was gonna fill it. Ew, made her ears all old. Wait, what did it look like before this? And now I'm confused. I kind of feel like it already looked like this. Wait, how do I hide this? Hide layer. Oh, that's what it was like before. Okay. I guess shorter is not the worst option. Wait, how do I go back to the options it gave me? Wait, what? That's what I selected and it went that small? Hold up. Try that again. Curly, old lady, white, pixel art hair. It should go. I want it to fill the whole thing up, you know. Usually it does. I mean, that's not bad, actually. That one looks a little bit more styled into it, actually. I kind of like that one the best. Ooh. Ooh. All these are actually not too bad. 1, 2, or 3. YouTube Shorts live feed. What do you think? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? What you guys thinking? Looks like it took over her ears. How did it do that? I didn't even select that. It looks like it desaturated her ears. Oh, weird. I'm gonna go with this one. Number 2. Alright, there's your old lady. I kind of want to make her a little angrier, to be honest. Wait, what the hell? She has another head. And then let's apply. Apply layer. Wait, why won't it let me apply? Fucking apply, you dick. Alright, that works. Let's let's make her a little angrier. She looks a little complacent right now. And I always wanted her to be a little bit grouchy. So let's make these come out a little bit more. A little bit more eyebrow. A little angled down. Just a little bit grumpier. Not bad. Then we can fix that real quick. Pixel art. Let's do the same thing over here. And I know there's some like white shit going on with her her hairline for some reason. Alright, that should work. What? Cool. She looks a little like determined, a little, I don't know, looking like she's looking for a fight. I think it's good. All right, let's do that. And then let's also make her a little bit shorter. And let's get rid of the background. Oh shit. Let's get rid of that as well. Motherfucker, why did you do that to you? Yeah, right. Export. Yeah. I want her to be upset that I broke all her plants. TBH. Alright, so this will just be her think we want it to be like 300. Here's the old botanist. Should I put like a plant in her pocket or something? Should I give her like a little plant lapel? Some shit? I don't know. I'm just getting all stylistic now. I can't help it. Put like a red flower and like a little flower brooch or something. Little tulip looking thing. And give a little shading. No reason. Just doing it. Alright, wasting time. I'm sorry. So this is going to be a game asset. This is going to be... Oh, I gave her a name in the local. What did I call her? Yes. Let's read it. Carol Wainsbladder. Wow, what a horrible name. Carol sounds good. That sounds like an old lady name. Carol Avatar. I guess this is technically down. Static. Alright. And let's add her to characters. She is the second character. It's funny that she is the second character I'm adding. Carol. Shut up. That's the name of your first actual girlfriend. Her family lived in Gay, Michigan. Yeah, that makes sense. Most towns are Gay, Michigan, but... What the hell? That's really weird. Carol in Gay. Hey, Opa, Brazil here. What up, Estevan Jr.? Oh. How's Estevan Sr.? Hope he's doing alright. We're going to add her there. And she... Oh, that's the feature image. Shit. I need to add static images. She's also going to be walking, so I better add all of these. Thank you. No. It's... No, there's... They decide that. Scotch time. That's what decides. More scotch. I don't decide that. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna spam the same image for all of them because I don't feel like creating a bunch of directions for the old lady. Yeah. And we're gonna make it the same size, I think. Name of the town. No, you're just talking about her living in gay old Michigan. I get it. I got your implications. Holy crap, there's a lot of images. It's because of the damn punches now. Okay. There we go. Hey, standard female. Sounds good to me. Yes. I want her to repeat her walking path. Her speed, I forget if it needs to be like really high or really low. And then her gap, I also forget. So I'm just going to make it really low and high. And we're going to give her a walking path starting at her desk. So I wanted to start here. Where's my... There we go. So let's do roughly maybe 3,200, 30,000. $3,000, right? Does that sound right? And then we'll do the same thing for the starting point. 3,200, 3,000. Did I get that wrong? I always forget which is which. Yeah, top of 3,000, 3,200. Okay. Height. What is my height? I forget what I set mine at. It's... Nope. Image height. Image height is my height. 185, 115. 115? No. 185. 115. That should be good. Yes, the one from Brazil. Hi. Love me some Brazil. Great developers there. Great designers too. Great prices. Horrible cost of living, but great prices for devs. That's kind of sad. Alright. So, let's do this. Let's add a walking path. Shit. That's not working. Let's publish her first. Let's just make sure she shows up on the site, I guess. Did anybody notice anything weird? It's like fucking Matrix, man. It's the agent. No, he's a virus. Well, at least we know what she knows. Like, we know what she's gonna look like when she walks. Why is she so big? Didn't I make her 115, 185? Isn't that what I am? Oh. Oh, there's like padding on me. So wait, 90 by 159. That's much different. That's weird that these are all taking over for the main character. I guess I never tested that. I thought I did set images locally. So that is weird that she took over like that. Because that didn't happen locally at all. Maybe I screwed something up about it that I don't remember. Okay. Height. No, width is 90. What was the height? It was 159. Okay. And I have her pretty close to where I want her, but when she gets smaller, her area is going to change. Yeah, there you go. Looking better. So now let's move her to her final destination. So she's going to start up here. Nope. Yeah, I kind of wanted her like... because then she's going to have to be behind the chair. Let's start her here. We'll start her like all the way at her desk. Okay. It's a pretty natural spot for her to be. So 32, 32. Easy. And top is 2980. Alright. You come from nothing here. Are you building a game? Yeah, I'm building a WordPress-based game engine, Estevan, and basically to build my RPG video game. Eventually, though, I'm a WordPress programmer. I'll turn this into a plugin for other people to create RPG video games on their websites if they want. But yeah, it's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, the Harmonian Chronicles, and so the storyline's kind of already baked into the video game. And yeah, I already built most of the functionality. I'm just trying to apply it with final assets to see what I'm missing. And we are finding things, obviously. And we just found a bug where, for some reason, the lady here is, nice. I like it. The movement still works, so that's good. She went really fast, though. Okay, so that's good. Okay, what the fuck? How did I lose all my... Carol! What did I do? Carol! Why'd you take my images, Carol? Let's see. Well, my images come from here, which should come from my slug, MC, where I get my specific main character is an object, otherwise get post, main character. So my post name is MC, so I'm very confused why it's coming up with hers, which is weird. I might have to test this locally, damn it. Yeah, appreciate it, man. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is very confusing, even for me sometimes. So we got the main character info. We have his images are getting outputted here. And yeah, I mean, there's really no... We have direction images. This is just the array. Did I fuck something up with the whole fight animation thing? I don't think so. Main character info. Oh, it's coming from here. And I'm not setting the main character info for characters other than in here. Let me just double check. Did I call it the same variable? Because if I did, maybe it's conflicting. Is possible? Yeah, so I did call it the same variable name. Maybe we should try doing character info instead. I don't know why I did that. I could just do that. Yeah, let's try doing that instead in this function. What? Character info. Oh my god. Typing is for fun, people. Okay, there we go. Yeah. This should be fine, right? Explore type, explore images. Yeah. The main character should not be doing. Let's just push this up, shot in the dark, and not even test it, because I don't really want to try to test it. I'm hoping it just works. You run into weird race conditions sometimes when you use the same variable within the same like row of functions in a template. Sometimes it overrides it and uses the last one instead of the first one. That called that function. You. It's you. I want. Doot and doo doo. Oh shit. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, so we're hooked up. Okay, that should be pushed up now that our intermission is over. Come on. Give me. Fuck. Okay, it's not working. Oh, you know what? Let's just double check that for some reason my images didn't actually get overwritten. For some reason, some things have been getting overwritten lately. They did not. Okay. So it really is just an issue in the code. So I am going to have to actually fucking test this out. Awesome. Well, let's do that then. Carol. Always fucking me up, Carol. So let's do it with him. I mean, let's not do it with him. You know what I mean. Which is weird because I know he has images already. But let's at least try to resave his images and see if it overrides mine. Go. And he does have walk speed. Yes. Oh, time between is small. Maybe that's why it's taking so long. Hold on, let me change hers. It's 0.1. I made it like 50. That's probably why she's not repeating. There we go. The other one looks okay though. What? Oh, also, this wasn't working. Oh, now it's working. Okay. Well, left I was going to do like 2,000. Keep top at 3,000. Yeah. I don't need a walking trigger. Should I do a walking trigger? Should I make her start walking only when I like walk a certain distance? Nah, I just want her walking around. It's more NPC like. So what the fuck is the question? Why is she coming up as my images? That is really fucking weird. Is it because there's only 2 of us? Like if I created another one, would it work? That doesn't make any sense because he's not doing that. So it's not happening locally. He gets his own images just like you're supposed to. Cutscene. He has a cutscene. That's the only difference. She has all the same. Oh, he doesn't have a right punch, but I mean, who cares? I guess I could. I don't need to give her a punch. You think it's the punch? I don't think it is. I mean, eventually they're gonna need punches when I'm fighting them. I don't think that's the problem, but that's the only thing I can see that's the difference. Did you physically overwrite your image, or like when you punch, does punch? No, it looks like it's just loading all her images for me for some reason, which isn't computing in my brain. Yeah, it's still doing that. Yeah, it's just using Carol. It's really weird. Also, my settings aren't getting updated. Is this a cache issue going on here? Because she should be walking to 2 different positions now, but she is not doing that. She's only stopped at the 1. Yeah, look, I have the right things though. Date between. We have the data paths. So she should be going left right now. Time between is short. Speed is fast. Oh. It's just not working like local is, which is weird. Oh, when I punch, what happens? Nothing, yeah. Because it doesn't have any image. So it's like I'm literally using her images for the main character, which is super strange because the code does not do that at all. Like this And I just changed the actual variable name too, so now it's completely different, which is super weird. What the fuck, dude? Yeah, and Graham's images aren't even on here. Oh, well, that's just his cutscene image. Why would his images not be showing up? Like, if I get rid of her, will it go back to my images? Or will it stay her images? It's staying her image. It's like I've overtaken... Okay. So there's an issue with the query. Yeah, it's Agent Smith, dude. That's that. I couldn't think of his name. It's Agent Smith. Yeah, for some reason... Oh, shit. Her post ID is coming up as the main character. It's the money. It's so weird being an old lady. Yeah, look, the IDs are still correct though. MC right, MC static up. The IDs are correct. Which means that direction labels are correct. I guess that's not really linked to the image URL. Yeah, the SRC, direction image, which is coming from direction images. Oh wait, where's direction images coming from? Main character info, direction image. Which is coming from main character. Which is the only... Okay. There must be an issue with the get posts. Post name is not working. So it must have been just taking... You know, him, because he was the only character. Like, I bet if I added a new character, it would take them. Because it takes, like, the newest person. So that being said... Fuck. That means... That means... The main character ID is incorrect. It works locally, so I can't test it, unfortunately. I don't know what the difference is between my main character and the one in the local game. So let's just double check it's not like a weird setting. So we have MC. He has a feature image. Oh, no. I don't know. Maybe. Let's check. I don't think I assigned myself to Foresight, but I might. No, I didn't. See, I don't even have an area. Okay. Okay. Like, I wonder... I mean, I bet if I deleted her completely, that it would go back to me, because I'd be the newest one. Could I be the only one? Okay, let's see. What do I have here? Blah, blah, blah. Nothing, 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 nothing. I don't... Oh, okay. Well, do I have a position set? Again, that shouldn't matter. I don't. Okay. Oh, wait. I don't even have a height and width. Wait, what? How do I not have a height and width? Is that why? 185, 115. 185, 115. 185. I don't think that would matter, but I do check for like those kind of variables. Let's check. Is that why? It is not. What else is different? Got the images. Crewmate, no. Time, no. Blah, 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 blah. Everything else. Programming. And I got blah, 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 programming. Okay, yeah. There's... Oh. Why do I have speed at 400? Where the hell did that come from? Yeah. Nothing's different. Weapons. There are no weapons. Oh, I don't have a feature image? I don't think that would matter either, but let's add one. Yeah, okay. Is it because I gave her a feature image, but not myself? No. Okay. Yeah, it really just doesn't give a shit. That's really interesting. Old lady has taken over. Alright. Let's stop fucking around. Let's take a look at this. So if main character's coming in as MC, I know. That's how I feel. Main character's right here. If it's an object, which it's not, then we'll get post. By post type, it's either the character or the enemy. And I'm using post name main character. Now, the only thing I see here that's stupid is that I'm like grabbing everybody. So I wonder if I only grab the first one. Main character, I'm grabbing the first one in the array. Otherwise I'm doing that. I wonder if that's the problem. It's just grabbing the first one. But post name isn't working. I need to refresh my memory. Is it post name or slug or post slug? I always forget what get posts is supposed to be using. Name. So this in this place I'm using name. Name. That's the problem. It's name, not post name. Well, this one I'm using post name. Oh wait, post underscore name. Name for location again. Shit. Well, I'm doing it wrong. It's either post underscore name, which makes more sense, or it's name. So let's try both. How is this even working? Whatever. Don't ask questions. Actually, let's make sure that this doesn't break local real quick. It does not. Why would it? Local does whatever it wants. It doesn't play by the rules. Yeah, I just don't know how things work. There's like such weird edge cases that just work for no reason. And that doesn't work for other reasons. Well, after we fix this, we'll call it a night. Made some great progress. I forgot what we did, but we did it. Oh yeah, we did the whole like passable through the plants so we can walk around. We added all those new fields. We added some updated collision points. And we're adding a new person. Very good. Cleaning it up. One piece at a time. Alright. Show me not Carol. Fuck. It might just be not published yet though. Hold on. We can give it a second. And then the next case scenario is switching it to name instead of post name. I mean, I could just fucking look it up. Get posts name. Name. See, this is saying post name. But I'm using name in a bunch of places. Oh, here we go. This one says name. What's the difference between post name and name? Maybe the same thing. Get post by post name instead of ID. No, don't do page by path. It's very inefficient. See, this person's using name. I don't know. Maybe it's name. Let's check. If it hasn't updated by now, then it's name. Alright, it's name. Let's push this up. Call the night. I'm so confident I'm not even going to check. Just kidding, I'm going to check. I'm very interested. Let's do it. If anybody's interested in all the amazing music in the background of my stream, it is me! Or at least bands I've been in, recorded with, blah blah blah. So if you want any of these songs, which, why wouldn't you want to work to this? Most of it's available online for free, so I could just give you links or whatever. Some of it's not. Anything that's not's on my Patreon. You can buy it for $10 million. Or a lifetime membership of $10 million a month. I think it's a little cheaper than that. Come on, bitch. You better fucking work. Yes! I was so confident. Why did I check? I could have just been cool and said, like, nah, we got this. It's a very sus punch. But we'll go with it. Okay, so we should have Carol over here now. Not using my images. Yes. Hey, Carol. Carol, why are you taller than me? Old ladies be tall these days. Let's give her a little bit of walking path. I just want to make sure that works. And let's go back to the original path. We'll go top. And then we'll go left. Alright, so now she should be walking in a loop. I have repeat, yes. I have walking speed. For some reason she's stopping right now, which I don't like. I don't see anything else that would cause that, but let's check. Yeah, it's kind of just going to the first path and stopping. I feel like I've seen that before. Because we have top left, top left, top left. So we have 3. Do we have repeat true? Yeah, repeat is true. Path on load. So it has all that. And she is moving. She's just not continuing to move. I have done a lot of work in the move character functionality though, so... But it's still working locally, of course, for him. Like when I talk to him.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Oh, hey.
But he's a trigger walk. He's not on load. Though the other character is trigger. I mean, is on load. Let's see if he's walking back and forth.
You know why I started Foresight, Brain?
Why am I way up here?
You know why I didn't call you here?
Yeah, see, he's still working.
Yes.
Fine. Oh shit. Why am I all messed up? Okay. So walking let's check what we do for him. Cuz maybe I'm missing a setting. I don't know. Not like I'm surprised if it works here and not there. Isn't the same place as MC. Like the Gutenberg looking thing. What do you mean? Yeah, it's I made Carol a character, just like I made him a character. Yeah, she's listed in the same list. So we have his width and height, blah, blah, blah. We have all his images, which are rando. Okay. Walking speed, 65. He's on repeat, yes. He only goes to one spot and then goes back. So he goes back and forth. And he doesn't have anything else selected. Like there's no trigger. He has repeat on. It just is fucking, it's just working. You know the problem is like maybe there's a like if I refresh the database, there might be like a setting in there that's different. Alright, let's check Carol one more time, see if I'm missing anything. She's on foresight. Blah blah blah. Height and width. She has her images. Let's give her a faster walking speed just to match him. And then let's get rid of the first one and just make her start walking left, which she starts here, 2978. So let's make her move 2978, and then we'll just make her go left. And let's just make her go back and forth like him. 2978, 2000. Let's try that. So we're basically matching exactly what I did for him. Okay. Did that save? And now, did I get rid of his feature image? I did not. Okay. Yeah, I didn't give him anything special. No special settings. He doesn't have anything in here. No. Article that you copy and paste and didn't modify completely. Throw in copy and paste and didn't modify completely. I don't know. Add or near. Well, let's see if the new settings do anything. Oh, okay. Well. Will she walk back, though? Oh, shit. Okay. It works. 2000's a little bit long of a stroll. Okay, fuck off, bitch. She is going to be a hazard now. Because now I'm going to be standing here and she's going to be like, smack. Oh no! And like phase past me. So let's give her, now that we know it works, let's give her a nice path. I don't know what it was, to be honest. It might have been the walking speed. It might have been maybe the original path I gave her was wrong. It might have been because I like made her go the same position first, which I got rid of that logic having to do that. Okay, so let's actually move her down a little bit. So we'll go 3000. And instead of that, we'll go like 2300. And then let's make her go up. So left will be... Oh, excuse me. Holy shit. My bad. And then we'll go 2500. And then let's go back to this original spot here. And then it should repeat. Back to the first spot. Let's see if this works. Alright, NPC walking, go. So now I should be able to just walk around and be like, cool. Oh, hey, Carol, how's it going? And then she's gonna walk up here. Oh, shit, she's coming. Alright, you do you, boo. And then she'll walk back. And then she'll walk back to her desk. Awesome. Yeah, that's great. And she's kind of walking at an angle, which is good. More natural. Like, I don't have grid-based walking, so I can make them do any weird walking diagonal angles just to get them to from one point to the other. It's only straight lines. I can't make them curve yet. But this is good. This is good to have a little bit of interaction in here. I wonder if I can slow her down a little bit, though. She is walking kind of fast. If I go back to 55, I just wonder if maybe the speed is what broke it. I don't think so, but let's try it out. It's not a big difference. Let's go down. Let's do 40. Let's see if we can like really slow it down. And the time between, I can add even more. Like I can do 1.5. And that should really slow her down. Oh, shit. Okay, I forgot. I forgot everybody. It's backwards. Higher the number, slower she goes. So in fact, I should go like 80. But space in between... Should I make her go like pew 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 pew? Walking like a psychopath. Okay, there we go. That's a more leisurely pace. Oh, good. Sorry, I'm in your way. And now see how she like takes a little bit longer to go to the next step. I can be like, hey, oh, okay, bye. I guess. See ya. And right now, you're just like walking around the game. And you have Carol doing her thing. Hey, hey, hey. And I could give her a cutscene. It won't stop her from walking, so you'll have to like chase after her. I should probably do that. Yeah, she has somewhere to be. And she's clearly not caring about my well-being. I don't have AI yet, where you can like, if they detect you, they like walk around you or something like that. That's pretty good. I still think she should be walking slower. So let's go to straight 100. You know what I mean? Because she's like an old lady. She's still kind of jogging. I do like the space between. It gives her a chance to like reflect on life. Yeah, that's better. Because I want to be able to walk faster than her. And I don't think right now I am. Let's test it. Yeah, see, we're going the same speed right now. 100. So let's make it actually even slower. Let's do 130 or something. I want her slower than me. I am a young, sprightly man. Oh yeah. See, I'm faster than her. This feels like a much better like speed for a lady. An old lady. With dark eyebrows. She obviously dyes her eyebrows, by the way. Hey, Carol, how's it going? I just want to talk to you. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Alright, this is pretty fantastic. I definitely want to make her walk up higher in this mid space here. So let's actually do like another 300 pixels. But I like how she goes away. It catches up when you come back to the window. But yeah, I think we nailed it, everybody. This has been great. I'm glad a lot of the old functionality is still working. I was worried that, you know, just NPC walking like this, being able to control it with a brand new character with brand new images was gonna not work very well. Where are you going, dude? Maybe I should make her walk into the rec room. Because that would be like what? That would be like maybe closer to 2,000. And then that would be left. Do like 1,800. And then just go back the way she came. 2,000. It's gonna be a mighty trail. And she'll be slow as fuck. And then, I haven't tested this with like a lot of different paths. So I'm interested how far I can get these people to walk around on a loop. But yeah. Hey, we made it to Wednesday. That's pre Friday Eve, which is obviously our favorite day of the week. Because everybody likes Friday. I definitely want to... I know it already works, that she will change direction and her image will change. I know that works because it works with locally with the CEO. So I'm not worried about messing with that functionality. Ooh, she went a little bit too high. Are you gonna go get some coffee, or what are you doing? We definitely have a lot more artwork to do in here. Now she's just walking in the rec room for nothing. Alright, see ya. I mean, I fucked up all your plants. Hope you don't care. No? Okay. Let's actually... I'm just being dumb, but I want to make it a little bit lower. So let's do like 50. Yeah. 50. Let's do that. Okay. I know, right? She's just a vaping old lady. But hey, everybody have a great night. Anybody watching the future, watch me in the present. Come say hi. Comment, like, subscribe, follow, all that's good stuff. It really helps, you know, get more people to see this crazy WordPress shit that I'm doing. And gives me inspiration and allows me to help people. Anybody that has any questions with website programming, WordPress programming, music, Photoshop, Illustrator, you know, anything, video editing, you know, I do everything for this game, including make all the music, make all the assets, make all the programming, everything, the website that it's on. So I can help you somehow, and I've been in the industry for a very long time. So even if it's just helping you with your work, how to get jobs, how to talk to your boss, how to quit, how to get hired, all that good stuff, lots of tips and tricks. I've been working steadily for 20 years, so yes. Oh really, they haven't been in stock? That's crazy. Game Doodle, as always, appreciate your time. Dak Dude, you jumped on. You the best. Indy, you said hi for a second and went to bed. Awesome. And everybody on YouTube Shorts live feed. We had some great conversations from Brazil and beyond. Hope you all subscribed. Have a great night. Thank you. And I'll catch